Hi everyone, just a quick video just to give you a work solution to simultaneous equations. This is Year 12. This is the work we're working on today. This is question 8, so the last question I've done as a work solution. If you want to follow on this in your book, it's question 8 and it's talking about the cost of manufacturing laptop computers. And so I've done a little, here's something I prepared earlier. If you have a little look at this graph, okay, this is talking about, I've just put the steps down on the side and I'll take a screenshot of this to show you as well. So step 1, I've drawn up some tables for each equation. So you can see I've got a cost equation and a revenue, cost table and a revenue table. And then that's my step 1. And then step 2, I've gone ahead and drawn a graph to see where that break-even point is. So where their cost would meet the revenue. And step 3, to find the break-even point, I can actually get a bit of an idea where it is off my graph. But sometimes that's not very accurate. So there is a way, using algebra, to find the exact break-even point. And so that would be the point where the cost of producing the computers equals the revenue you're making. So that would be your break-even point. If you sold more and got more revenue, that's when you're starting to get to profit. So that break-even point there would be where cost equals revenue. Therefore, you can use algebra to work this out. So if you have a little look up here, I've got the 2 equations written here. This is my cost equation for my laptop computers. This is my revenue. So if I make these 2 equal to each other, the cost equal the revenue, I should find the break-even point. So let's put our algebra to work. So if I have this cost, 270p plus 8,400, equaling my revenue, which is 410 times p. If I make these equal to each other, I should find the break-even point. So let's go to and use our algebra to work this out. So minus your 270p from both sides. So that would leave me with 8,400. Take these away. So that's going to be 140p. If you divide both sides by 140, that will leave me with p. And I think that works out as, take my word for it, that's going to be 60. Therefore, this means that I need to produce 60 computers in order to break even. Any more than that and I make a profit. So you can see that's a really accurate, mathematical, logical way of working out your break-even point. Hope that helps.